Assalamu alaikum. If you think that your business growth and customers will increasing without graphic design and digital marketing, then you are living on fool's paradise. You are trying a lot to reach out to your customers, but they are not responding you because of graphic design and a professional digital marketers. You need to do this. So today I will show you a logo and brand identity design. So here is my Behance portfolio. You can check out all the latest works I have done for my clients, and today I will talk about this design. So why you should hire a logo designer. So because here you can check out my logos, and here today I will talk about this KESMINI Fitness, and buyer wanted to make this logo for his brand. He said, I need a fitness logos, wellness. So he gave this image and he wanted to make a similar types of logo. Then I made this logo. So I will tell the behind story about this. So here is the brand identity design. You can check out here ক্যাসমিনি ফিটনেস। আর এখানে যে এটা লোগোটা দেখতে পাচ্ছি তার একটা হচ্ছে বিজনেস কার্ড এবং একটি স্টিকার, তারপর এখানে প্রেজেন্টেশনস, তারপরে এখানে একটা প্রেজেন্টেশনস, এখানে একটা প্রেজেন্টেশন। আর সবচেয়ে বড় কথা হচ্ছে যে আমি বাংলা কথা এখানে না বলাই ভালো, কারণ যারা একজন ডিজাইনার তাদের ইংলিশ দরকার, আর তাদের অবশ্যই ইংলিশে বুঝতে হবে। অ্যাজ এ বায়ার অ্যান্ড ডিজাইনার তাদের দুজনের ইংলিশ জানতে হবে। আর এই জন্যই আমি ইংলিশে ভিডিওগুলো করে থাকি। যদি কারো কোনো প্রবলেম হয়ে থাকে তাহলে এনি টাইম ইউ ক্যান কন্ট্যাক্ট মি। অ্যান্ড দেন আই হ্যাভ মেড দিস ক্যাসমিনি ফিটনেস ফর ফিটনেস। দেন তাদের জন্য আমি একটা টি শার্ট ডিজাইন I have made for the brand, and then according to these colors you can see here the colors, and this t-shirt colors are same here, and a nice bag and bottle and handkerchiefs, and you can check out those colors and branding. I have just give him idea. So another book cover and diary cover, pen drive cover, business card, and on a leather, how it looks on a money bag, and a business card on a in envelope, letterhead, how it will look. Just I have given the idea. So on a t-shirt you can see here the print, and then on a okay, let me, yes, this is perfect. So on a hoodies, how it will looks, that I have given. Then you can see here brand style guidelines, KESMINI Fitness. Here clear space, scaled mark, and logo applications. Here just logo variations, how it look like. Just I have given some ideas for him for the brand, and just some, it's a 4 variation. And color plate here you can see here, and sketch, this was a sketch and a space between the fitness and KESMINI wordmarks letters. And then typography, I have given her the knowledge. So another one, typography and typeface uses. Here no, sorry, Negja font this is. So how it looks on capital letters and small letters, this is the idea. Light line, bold, regular, how it looks, that's what I have shown him. So here is the color plate, so primary color and secondary color. So is the branding color, this is the branding color, and finally this design is made for my buyer. So I have posted this on my Behance and on my LinkedIn accounts. Here you can check out what actually I do for my clients, and I'm sure you will love my design quality. Those are new to me, and because the social medias are new to me because I have posted recently. So uh, here I have started. I think you will love all the designs here, and I'm sure you will love my design quality. Anytime you can hire me, and if you need any brand identity or social media kit or digital marketing like YouTube SEO, YouTube video, full SEO expert I am. So thank you so much. And here is the another logo. It look like about 12,000 people have seen this and 257 liked. So this is the good design. So you can see here lots of design I have made from a buyer. So thank you so much. If you have any queries, then you can leave a comment. I will give you the best answers. Thank you so much.